Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the PHP. Today we are going to learn about how to print document in the PHP and the JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So we are going to learn how to print document. So I will first give you the demo. So here you can see that print document. So whatever document we have written, you can see that it is in the print preview format, right? With whatever the content we have, it is printed over here. Now you can save this, save as a PDF or whatever you can do. You can select anything from here, right? So let's dive into the code level. How we have done that. This is the simple document. Okay, the main thing, that is the body. So this is the content, that is printing example. So this is the heading and this is the p tag, right? That when we click on the but print document, so there is a button that is print document. Okay, in the print document, the content, the important, so we are adding the content, whatever content we have with the heading or something, p tag. So add it over here. Print window means open in a new blank new page or new window, so target underscore blank. Print document dot open, then write the content, then close, then with print window dot print. Writing these steps, you are able to just open the print preview option into your PHP or the JavaScript. Okay, with the help of this, just click on the button and it will open the print preview. Okay, so this is very simple code that whenever you require that how you want to print any kind of document, so you can use this code in PHP and the JavaScript. Okay, and in the next video we are going to learn about, this is the, you can see this URL coming over here and this is the time or pages coming over here, right? So how we are going to eliminate this, we are going to learn in the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.